for sure.
Now I'm up to the slide of the 2020 Pro PTZ camera lineup, and it's a pretty extensive lineup. We're going to bring that up, but why don't you start with the HE38 and walk us quickly through the product line. We're going to go more in depth in a second.
Yeah, so the 38 is interesting. You know, I would consider that an entry-level camera. But if you really check it out, I mean, it has all the same features as all the standard models when it comes to, like we were just talking about, connectivity. I mean, you can control that with an RP150, you can control it with the HLC100. It does all the, you know, control centers, the software. It has the GUI. Obviously, they all have the GUIs built into them to control as well. But, you know, at that price point, that is a heck of a camera to have, and especially if you're going to deploy it where you need a lot of cameras, because you need to keep that cost down a lot, but you really still need a good product. The 38's got the 1/2.3 for the sensor size, and it's going to be a 22 optical zoom with a 30 by intelligent zoom, and then the 16 by with the digital zoom. So, you know, if you're in a house of worship or a classroom setting, and you, like I said, you need a bunch of cameras at once, that's a really, really good option right there.